Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students. Today we will learn the sound of N as in nest. Now we will see some of the examples. N says N as in napkin. N says N as in needle. N says N as in newspaper. N says N as in night. N says N as in nine. N says N as in nut. N says N as in balloon. N says N as in button. N says N as in coin. N says N as in corn. N says N as in fan. N says N as in lemon. Now we will see the initial position. N says N as in napkin. N. Napkin. N says N as in needle. N. Needle. N says N as in newspaper. N. Newspaper. N says N as in night. N. Night. N says N as in nine. N. Nine. N says N as in nut. N. Nut. Final position. N says N as in balloon. N. Balloon. N says N as in button. N. Button. N says N as in coin. N. Coin. N says N as in corn. N. Corn. N says N as in fan. N. Fan. N says N as in lemon. N. Lemon.